Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're going to explore an ingredient that's commonly found in your kitchen but is also a secret weapon for your beauty routine: onions. Yes, you heard that right. Onions are not just for cooking. They have amazing benefits for your skin and hair. Stick around to find out how this humble vegetable can give you glowing skin and luscious hair. Onions are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your skin and hair. They're rich in sulfur, which promotes collagen production and boosts hair growth. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of onions also make them great for treating acne and soothing irritated skin. Benefits of onion for skin. Let's start with skincare. Onions are a powerhouse of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which helps in reducing dark spots, pigmentation, and blemishes. The antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing premature aging and giving you a natural glow. One popular way to use onion juice is as a toner. Simply extract the juice from a fresh onion, mix it with some rose water, and apply it to your skin with a cotton ball. This toner can help reduce inflammation, tighten your pores, and improve your overall complexion. Onions are also effective against acne. The sulfur in onions helps dry out pimples and reduces acne scars over time. You can make an onion and honey face mask. Combine a teaspoon of onion juice with a teaspoon of honey and apply it to the affected areas. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. This mask helps reduce redness and irritation, leaving your skin smooth and clear. Benefits of onion for hair. Now, let's talk about hair care. If you're dealing with hair fall, dandruff, or thinning hair, onions might be your new best friend. Onions are rich in sulfur, which improves blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. This can help in strengthening your hair follicles, preventing hair breakage, and even stimulating new hair growth. One of the most popular DIY treatments for hair is onion juice. To make it, simply blend a few onions, strain the juice, and apply it directly to your scalp. Massage it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, let it sit for an hour, and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Doing this once or twice a week can help reduce hair fall and improve hair density over time. Onion juice can also combat dandruff. Its antibacterial properties help fight the bacteria and fungi that cause dandruff, keeping your scalp healthy and flake-free. You can mix onion juice with a little coconut oil or olive oil for extra moisture and apply it as a hair mask. Use tips. While onions can be incredibly beneficial, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Always do a patch test before applying onion juice to your skin or scalp to make sure you're not allergic. Also, the smell of onions can be strong, so make sure to wash it off thoroughly and maybe follow up with a fragrant conditioner. To sum it up, onions are more than just a kitchen staple. They can be your secret weapon for achieving glowing skin and healthy, strong hair. So, the next time you're cooking with onions, set a little aside for your beauty routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more beauty and wellness tips using natural ingredients. Have you ever tried onions in your beauty routine? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.